I was at my local Honda car dealership and they had this car out front just as a promotion. This is the very first Honda Civic built in New Zealand. This actual single car was the first Honda Civic built. So this is the first off the production line, and this is from the Honda corporate collection of cars. They have a private collection that they use for promos. The Honda dealership just got rebranded here, and they had a few cars out front on a promo, an open day, I guess, where they were promoting the new Honda Jazz cars and some other Honda cars. But I just saw that and I just thought we needed to have a look in this to see what a Honda Civic used to look like back in the olden days. This is a 1976. It's a 1.2 litre. It was built in Petone, which is in Lower Hutt, near the capital of New Zealand, near Wellington. Yeah, and it was just Honda just found this car. I don't know, in the year 2000, and they bought it back from whoever owned it, and they did a little restoration, and just sort of put it back about kind of how it was. I mean, I guess it's they kept it looks like it's got the original carpet and all of that, and I just had a look and see how the things go. Yeah, it's very different from what modern cars are, but I thought people might be delighted to see this little car, a built in New Zealand Honda Civic from 1976. Anyway, that's my video. There'll just be a few more photos and stuff, a bit of a slideshow, just the random photos that I took. I don't know, it's a cool looking car. Oh yeah, it's got the CIVIC1 Civic 1 number plate, custom number plate. Got some indicators and lights and stuff. You can see that number plate there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Normally I talk about electric cars and environmental things and other stuff like that in my YouTube videos, but when I see a car that delights me, I'll make a little video about it. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.